Hello les amis, welcome to Amouralail show. Today we have something special. I have here beautiful pork ribs that we will accompany with corn. This is a beautiful piece of pork ribs. First of all, I will remove the skin. Now we'll prepare the rub for our pork ribs. I have here pesto and mortar, so let's go. Salt, pepper, 1 chili goes in, sweet paprika, garlic powder, and this is the rubbing. We'll take our ribs, we'll put oil, like that rub will stick much better. So a little bit of oil. And now we will put the rub. And now we will sear them on the fire. Now I will flip it. We sear our ribs, so now we will wrap them in aluminium foil. So now when I wrap it in aluminium foil, I will put it back on fire, but on low heat for approximately 2 hours. Guys, ribs are done, they are resting, and now here I have beautiful corn that I will put on fire. Beautiful one. We will unwrap our ribs. Super cooked. Bones are going out. My God. Bon up. That's it, guys. I show you how I prepare pork ribs with this beautiful corn. The ribs are super juicy and tender. As you can see, amazing. And corn goes so well with it. Bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe. Merci.